Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy new players for your team. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, just navigate to the shop page at the top section. From here you can exchange your goal points as well as your eFootball points to purchase various players as well as items and rewards. Just go into whichever currency you wish to use in order to purchase your player, and now you may go into the players menu in order to sign the various players that are available. After making your choice, just tap on this player and then press the exchange button as indicated at the bottom right corner. Once you make your exchange, this player will be available within your team and the amount of points or coin will be deducted from your account. Now from the home page, you can go into your game plan menu in order to start using your new player right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy new players for your team on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.